Hey preschool friends, it's Superhero Kelly! I am happy that you came to join me today. Guess what? Today I get to find out what my superpower is! Do you have a superpower? I think I do, but I don't know what mine is yet. But guess what? Inside the mystery box is my superpower, I think. So today I'm gonna find out what my superpower is. Before we find out, we have to sing our hello song. Do you think we could do it kind of quick so I could figure out what my superpower is? Okay, let's sing our hello song really fast. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Pat with me. Hello, everybody. So glad to see you. Hello, everybody. So glad to see you. Hello to all my friends. So glad to see you. Hello, everybody. So glad to see you. It's time to know what my superpower is. I can't wait. Here we go. One, two, three. You guys, my box, it's empty. Is it empty? Will you look for me? Do you see anything in there? Oh no. How am I supposed to know what my superpower is? Oh dear. Take a deep breath. That's my superhero breath. I'm gonna do it one more time. This helps me be a problem solver. And I have a problem. I don't know what my superpower is. Okay, thinking. I know! I'm just gonna try out some superpowers and see if they work. I've seen a superhero fly before, so I'm gonna go try that out. Come with me, let's go! Maybe flying isn't my superpower. Maybe being invisible is. Oh, I'm gonna try that. I'm invisible. They don't even know I'm here. I found my superpower.
Mom, we can't see you. Yeah.
Wait, you can see me?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess being invisible isn't my superpower.
Maybe you could find a different superpower?
Maybe my superpower is speed! Maybe I'm really fast! I'm gonna go try it out.
Do it. I bet I can beat Mommy.
My superpower is speed, I just know it. On your mark. Get set, go! I don't think speed is my superpower. Oh, I'm gonna need to go back and rethink about what it means to be a superhero. What do I know about superheroes? Thinking. Who was that? They left me something. They must have the superpower of speed. Wham! And on the back it says, boy or girl. That's it. A superhero can be a boy or a girl. Okay. Thinking. They came again. And they left me another sign. Bam! And on the back it says, any color skin eyes, or hair. A superhero can have any color skin. Have you ever noticed that we all have different color skin? They could have different color eyes, different color hair. They might look really different from me, and they're still a superhero. Oh boy, I'm really learning a lot. Okay, thinking. It happened again! That superhero's really fast. And another sign was left. Splat! And there's more words on the back. From any country. Superheroes can be from anywhere in the world. That is cool. Okay, I think I'm feeling like I know more about superheroes. Let's see, thinking. Whoa. How do they do that? And another sign. It says, pow! There's more words on the back. It says, helpers. Oh yes, that's right, I remember now. This is the most important thing to know about superheroes, is that their #1 goal is to help people. I think I'm getting some ideas about what my superpower could be. Okay, what else? Thinking. Something else was delivered. An iPad? Wait a second. It's my preschool friend, Micah. I bet that superhero sent me a video of my preschool friends telling me what their superpowers are. Oh, I bet I'm gonna get a lot of good ideas from this. Let's watch.
My superpower would be candy falling from the sky.
I'm Superhero Sadie. I'm gonna spread rays of sunshine and squash the anger with a cartwheel and splits. Here's the ray of sunshine. When I do a cartwheel, any sad people, I will spread rays of sunshine. And then, if people have a bunch of anger, I'm gonna go squash.
My name is Micah and I'm a superhero. And this is my superpower, to freeze bad guys. And my superpower is invisible ice. So when I freeze bad guys, I just freeze them.
Hi, I'm Uni the Uke. If I swoop up and I save somebody if they're sick in their beds. And keep this a secret. I'm actually Uni Lollipop Uni. I'm gonna save somebody. Gotta go!
My superpower is to make goldens fall down out of the sky.
Oh, and how would Goldens help people?
With sugaring.
They sugar people up?
My superpower is driving a car really fast and opening a hood and checking into the car to see if it works. My superpower is being super entertaining because I could make people laugh and smile.
I will be the one to how much spiders and planet and she will love at you. If I had a superpower, my superpower would be able to save people with bubbles.
How would you save people with bubbles, Ez?
By protecting them with bubbles, it won't even hurt. There's even no splinters.
Running really fast. My superpower would be turning invisible. Close your eyes. I turned invisible.
Where'd they go?
Poof! I turned invisible.
Whoa!
My first favorite superpower is speed. Before the giant puts his feet on the people, I run fast and save the people before the giant puts his feet on them.
My superpower is being super kind.
Those were some pretty amazing superpowers. And now I finally know what my superpower is. I can combine my imagination with pow, being a helper for my superpower. That means I probably don't just have one superpower. I probably have a lot of superpowers because I can think of a lot of ways to help people, and I can think of quite a few things that I'm pretty good at. What are you good at that you could use to help people? You guys, I'm so excited. I want to show you some ideas I have about my superpower, where I combine my imagination with pow, being a helper. I'm going to show you. I'm going to imagine that I have the superpower of being invisible. Nobody can see me. And that really good idea of making candy fall from the sky. I love candy and cookies. Now, I'm gonna help out my neighbor by dropping off a treat at their house. I don't think they'll see me because I'm invisible. Here I go. I'm gonna imagine that I have the superpower of speed, and I'm gonna help Emma make her bed. Whoosh. Looks good. I'm gonna use my superpower of being really funny and entertaining to cheer Paige up.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Paige. Hey, Paige. Why did the teddy bear stop eating?
I don't know why.
Because he was stuffed!
Good one, Mom.
Thanks to all my preschool friends who helped me figure out what my superpower is. My challenge to you this week is to use your imagination and pow! The idea of being a helper, which all superheroes do. Combine those two together and see what happens this week. What will your superpower be? I can't wait to know. Have so much fun being a superhero this week. Bye, friends. Fist bump.